God is saying to you today, dear child, let go of your anxiety and worries. I understand that you're going through a difficult time right now. I've heard your cries and I've seen your tears. I know all that you're dealing with right now has brought you immense exhaustion, and I can feel the heavy burden in your heart. However, I want you to understand that no matter what happens, I am in control. I won't let anything destroy you because I'm always by your side, protecting you. Your breakthrough is coming soon. Don't lose faith. Therefore, dear child, rest well tonight, for I am already working for you. I am turning things around. I have laid a path for you. I will help you through this hardship. All you need to do is to hit the like button and share this message with those who you deeply care about. Leave the rest to me. I will always love you.